MafiaMortal Kennels.
Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Today we're gonna show you the puppies that we have available with their father. My wife is the one who's recording. Here's the puppies. It's the first time with their father outside. So they're playing around and stuff. It's gonna be really hard to record. We're just gonna record like that. We're not gonna edit any of these videos. I just wanna show you how they look, how little they are, I mean how short they are and stuff. This baby, this baby. I love this boy. It's really cute. Come here. Come here. Look at this one. It's a little bigger head. I would say more show quality with this boy. Really good. ¿Sí viste al halcón que se acercó? Voló abajo. Sorry for the bad word. I forgot that I was recording.
You need to bleep that out, I guess.
Yeah. We have to do that little part. So that's our boy, Mr.Hyde. You know, all the time I'm the one that records, so I'm not sure how this video is gonna go, you know? My wife is the one who's recording.
Thanks for the vote of confidence.
I mean, you need to talk too, mama. You need to talk too. You know, everyone, like, my first language is Spanish. I'm from Mexico. So sometimes, like, it's hard for me to be talking in English all the time. My wife can help me with that.
Cute puppies.
Maybe you need to say something. I just say something about my English.
You're so
What do you think about this letter, Mama?
Well, they're both definitely cute. I love that little guy pouncing around over there, the darker boy. He's my favorite. He's so cute. He has big old doe eyes. Let's see if we can see these doe eyes.
No?
Yep, he runs away. Let's try again.
More, yeah. Es el más difícil de grabar, literally.
He's the most difficult one to record. He moves around so much.
All the time.
Hi, baby. I want to see your little doe eyes. There they are, the little doe eyes. Yes, I love those big old eyes.
So his nickname for now is Leo Magoo. Leo Magoo, I love that name. And his nickname for now is Golden Hulk, right here in the house. Look at this boy. So this video is a little bit different than the other ones, right? I hope you guys keep watching the video. Check their movements. Both of them, they're black tri terriers. Their mom is black tri. So next week we're gonna maybe come on, the camera on me. I wanna see myself in the video. Come on. Next week we're gonna make a video showing you guys all the dogs, all the puppies, all females, males that we have available, because we have these two males available. We have 2 pet quality females available, and also we have 1 male available from. They're from different letters. Sorry for my English, like I said. No importa.
The elusive little Magoo. Come here, baby. I have to get rid of that. They already dug it up.
I'll record Mr.Hyde. Mr.Hyde. Bueno. Come on, Papa. What are you doing? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and thank you for all the support for all our subscribers. Fuck. I messed it up.